Hi guys, today I'm going to present about structural properties of metals and non-metals. Okay, this is my table of contents. I have 6 elements to present about. First, introduction. This presentation focuses on structural properties of metals and non-metals. Understanding these materials is essential in engineering and technical fields, as their physical and chemical characteristics determine their suitability of various applications. The objective is to explore the differences between metals and non-metals, analyze their structural behaviors, and compare their use in real-life situations. Next, metals. Metals typically solid at room temperature. It shows shiny appearance. It has good conductors of heat and electricity. It malleable, can be shaped, and ductile, can be drawn into wires. Example: iron, copper, and aluminium. Next, about non-metals. It may be gases or brittle solids. It have poor conductors of heat and electricity. It is not ductile or malleable. Example: sulfur, carbon, and oxygen. Next, about the structural properties of metals and non-metals. Metals, it closely packed atomic structure. They have crystalline structure like BCC, and FCC. It have high melting and boiling points, and high density, strong and shiny. Next, about non-metals. Loosely packed atoms or molecular forms. Amorphous or molecular structure. It has low melting and boiling points and low density, dual and brittle. Next is the comparison of metals and non-metals. They have 3 elements in there. First is property, metals and non-metals. About the properties: appearance, metal should be shiny, and non-metals is dull. About the conductivity, metal have high conductivity, but the non-metal have low. About the malleability, metal have high and non-metal is low. In density, metal is also high and non-metal is low also. It stays at room temp. Metal will be solid and non-metal can be solid or gas. Last is structure. Metal is crystalline and non-metal could be molecular or amorphous. Last is the conclusion. Metal and non-metal have different structure and properties that affect how they are used. Metals are strong and good conductors, while non-metals are brittle and poor conductors. Knowing this difference helps in choosing the right materials for different tasks in technical and engineering work. That's all about today. Thank you.